Hi guys, so I'm gonna be relaxing my hair by myself today. Here's my relaxer. I'm super excited because this is the very first time I'm gonna be relaxing my hair. I have partitioned my hair into 4 separate places, and here I will just take out my hair pomade. I'm gonna be rubbing this on all the segments, the lines that I did create on this hair, on my ears, on my skin, just to avoid the relaxer from burning me technically. Also guys, I have not done this before. I have full thick hair. This is my first time. I want to be trying it. I want to see if I can do this. I mean, what if my mom is not here tomorrow? I should be able to make my hair. I do go to the salon sometimes, but I mean, there are videos on YouTube, people doing their hair by themselves. So baby steps, guys, baby steps. So you guys should stay tuned and let's do this together, okay?
I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. The age, country limit, I don't need a guide. Follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you.
Alright fam, I am laughing, or do I say I am smiling? That's because the struggle is real. I am done, so I just apply the rest of the relaxer on my hair, massage the relaxer into my hair and comb out my hair, which is what I'm gonna start doing now. So actually guys, I did lose a lot of hair. I lost a lot of hair, not just I lost a lot of hair. You guys can see so much hair that's been lost. Well, let's just keep going, guys. Stay tuned, okay?
Can't afford. Memories are in what you expect. Just die any minute. Go for.
Hi guys, so I am back. I managed to get my hair done all by myself. I put the relaxer by myself. I just tied it up to a knot. The struggle is real, guys. I mean, it's really not easy trying to relax your hair yourself, especially if you do have a long hair and full hair. I wouldn't even say my hair is full anymore because I lost a lot of hair. Well guys, while we're waiting for my hair to relax and relax well, because my whole efforts cannot go to waste, I want to go ahead and clean my nails. And while I'm cleaning my nails, I just want to have a little chit chat with you guys and know your opinion. You guys should leave your opinion for me in the comment section about this issue I want to discuss now. This is an issue that's been ongoing recently. I mean, it's becoming a popular issue. So in Nigeria, there's something that's going on about this whole DNA issue. The most recent one I did see on social media was yesterday. Well, he accused his wife basically. He came out yesterday and said the 2 kids that his wife has for him are not his. Supposedly these kids are 20 years old, or he has been married to this lady for 20 years old per se. And he came out to say that these 2 children are not his children and he is going to be suing for damages. Also, he said he always wondered why his own kids will drag him by the shirt and tell him he's an irresponsible father. Now, I want to know what you guys think about this whole situation. Are you going to advise men to now go ahead and run paternity test, like immediately they have the babies? Are you gonna advise that, okay, we've had the baby, before the naming ceremony or before the christening, would you advise a man to go ahead and run DNA test? I want to know from you guys in the comment section. This is a serious matter. I remember another case I saw. These kids are all grown and big, and it happened in the barracks. The officer actually knew that out of the 3 kids, 1 was his own, which is the girl, but the 2 boys were not his own. This is on social media, guys. And what he did was, he sent the 2 kids that were not his own to school, but he made them school in Nigeria. The daughter, he sent her abroad to one of the best schools. When he died, he willed all his property to the girl because that was his only child. And his sons were so angry. You know, when this whole thing happened, he now left a message in the will that if they're upset that he didn't will anything to them, they should ask their mom who their father is. The mom went ahead and told them who their father is, and they went to the father's house. Listen, when they got to the father's house, the man's wife was there, and she was so upset. She was like, what? So you mean your mother had an affair with my husband? Okay. In the course of that, her husband was like, you think I don't know that you had an affair with your father? And you think I don't know that so and so children are not my children? So guys, this is a whole serious issue. Like, this is becoming rampant, guys. So I just want to know, I don't want to beat around the bush. What do you guys think? Do you think men should now start performing DNA tests on their babies as soon as they are born? Because it is becoming rampant. It's like women are now having away matches. So I want to know you guys' thoughts in the comment section. You know, for me, I don't know what to think. So I'm just like, what is going on? Like, I really need to know, guys, what do you guys think men should now start doing? Because a lot of men are gonna feel betrayed by this whole situation, which is not just right. So just let me know your thoughts in the comment section, guys. I am done cleaning my nails. I am not yet feeling the relaxer kicking in, but I want to go wash my hair. I don't want to stay too long with the relaxer, and I'll be back once I'm done washing and drying. See you guys later. So guys, I'm back. I am done washing my hair, and I lost a lot of hair, guys. I really did lose a lot of hair. I'm gonna go ahead and just blow this out for you guys to see. All right, let's do this.
Right down the side, PCH, country living. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I've been living life right like I could just die.
So guys, I am done. This is my hair. This is what it looks like. I'm super excited that I got to relax my hair by myself. Alright fam, if you have watched to this extent, thank you so much. I am done. Do remember to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye guys, see you in my next video.